Okay, now that we can delete item, we'll try editing them. So similarly, we need to add one more button for edit. Just below this delete, I'll duplicate this and I'll call this edit, and instead of delete contact, we'll call edit contact. Same thing, we need ID there. But we need to do some extra thing here. So we need to open a form and do some more thing. Okay, let's create this edit contact method first. First we'll set state. We'll create a edit mode and make it true. Similarly, we need to edit here. Edit mode, it will be false by default, and when someone clicks on that edit button, we'll activate that. So same thing, we need a separate form for edit. So we'll create another div. Actually, we duplicated this whole div which contains create form. Now we'll call this edit form, and on submit we'll call update. That's it. So everything remains same, but we'll populate value here. So this will be same, but when clicking on edit, we will change the state. First we need to find the element with this ID, editing item. So this dot state. So we need to loop through contacts and find out that item. So first we need to find the object with this ID inside this contact. So we'll use find method and we'll have access to contact. So what we'll do is we'll return if contact dot ID matches the ID. That's it. So what we can do is after getting the right editing item, we can set the state. So this dot set state, and we can make a name equals to editing item dot full name, and font equals to editing item dot mobile. Let's try to edit this. Yeah, so we got right data here. Let's try to edit this Antonio. Update it Antonio. Yeah, we can hide create form. For now, just ignore that. And when someone hits this submit of edit form, we are calling update method. So let's create that update method. Update, and update will be similar to submit, but we will be posting request to separate endpoint. Let's duplicate that and call it update. Everything same. Contact, we will be sending request to ID. So we are also getting ID, and this will be the put request. ID name equals to name, font all correct, this, and same thing. Yeah. So this dot update, we are not passing anything, but we need this edit ID. So the way we get that is after someone hits edit contact, let's instead of making edit mode true, let's make edit mode equals to the ID of that edit mode. Okay, so that will be easier. And here we can use ID equals to this dot state dot edit. So instead of calling edit mode, you can call it edit item. Yeah, so this is how we get ID, and then we are sending request. Okay, we forgot let. Okay, so now let's try editing this first entry, and let's call it update it, and then pass some dummy data, submit. Yeah, so we got this edit it, so we can successfully edit the form as well. So this is basic CRUD operation in React.js. Yeah, we can there is a lot to improve. um, Later in this series we'll integrate some library like element UI, which will just enhance the look, and we'll go through some basic styling. Okay, so for now this is it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.